Hi, I'm Paul Schumacher, founder of Schumacher Homes. I'm excited to give you a tour of our new Santa Barbara New American Tradition model home at our Cleveland, Akron design studio. The dark exterior of this home draws inspiration from current design trends and mixes horizontal and vertical siding to create a striking look. The moment you step through the front door, you'll be greeted by an open concept floor plan that provides plenty of space while still feeling connected. To the right, you'll find a flex room that has been converted into an office. We love including flex rooms in our plans as it gives you a blank canvas to create a space that is perfect for your family. Office, playroom, or even a formal dining room, it's up to you. In the great room, you'll see one of my favorite features that spans throughout the main living area. The ceiling height has been extended to create a cathedral ceiling that features exposed wood stained beams. Storage was a top priority while designing this home, and directly off the kitchen, you'll find a large walk-in pantry. Tucked into one corner of the home is your private owner's retreat that contains a spacious walk-in closet. You'll also find the deluxe bath that features dual sinks and a walk-in tiled shower. Our design team handpicked each details of this home to create a space that infuses practicality with on-trend design elements. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of the Santa Barbara New American Tradition. I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes tour. Stop in today to see for yourself and tour 5 other model homes and a 25,000 square foot design studio that has all the latest for a one-stop shopping experience for your custom home.